2013 Ford Edge misfire bank 2. So the code saying the 2 no 4 5 6. This is the front and the front side. 4 5 6, and then 4 5 6 misfire, and the camshaft sensor misfire. What does it mean is, look at the bank 1 side. You can see it. You can see it there. So what is missing? What is missing? Right here, no change. Chain popped out or broke. Something wrong. That's why the cam sensor doesn't read it right. This is a camshaft sensor right there. This one, and then there, this vehicle has the 2 camshaft sensor, another one too. So that cam doesn't read it right, and the engine power dropping. Just the 3-cylinder running only the backside. That 3-cylinder doesn't run right. So it has to do the timing chain. It's got too much work to do that thing. The whole front cover off, and the retime to do the change, new chain, new tensioner, something like that.